Hey guys, this is Aaron. This is going to be the reassembly of the Glock pistol. Now earlier I had mentioned that on newer models you're going to have two pins here. The reason I said that the top pin needed to go in, taken out first and put back in first, is because your slide stop lever, see the spring right here? It rests on it. On this particular firearm, it uses your locking block to see that, to rest that spring on there. But the models with the two pins, it actually uses the locking block pin as the rest for that. So that's why you need to make sure that you put the top pin in first, and it needs to be the first that you take out. Alright, with that being said, first thing we're going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and put this receiver back together. We're going to take our trigger mechanism housing and we're going to take our connector and we're going to put that back in. Okay, you'll see it kind of stick out a little bit. It's okay, it's supposed to do that. Just make sure at the bottom that it's all the way pushed in. Then you're going to take your trigger with your trigger bar and you're going to put it back together. Remember, as I said before, this trigger spring, if you put it back on, it needs to be in the shape of an S, looking at it from the right side of the gun. Alright, we're going to take our trigger bar, put it back together, bring it back around. We had to twist it to get it out, so we're going to have to twist it to get it back in. Alright, that's that. We are ready to put that back. We're ready to put this back. In our gun. Alright. You know what? I'll go ahead and put this right here, your slide lock. I don't know if you can see that little hook. See that little hook? That hook needs to, when you put your slide lock in, that hook needs to be up and facing the rear. Okay, your slide lock spring, you just put it back in there. Okay, and what you'll do is you'll compress that. You compress it as you work the there we go, as you work your slide lock back in. Alright, pops right back into place. Okay, now we can take our locking block. We can put that back in. Okay, alright. Next, we can take our slide stop lever. Okay, you just want to make sure everything is lined up, and you can put your pin back in. Again, you don't have to force anything, it should go right on in there. Alright, now you can put your, by the way, it is recommended that these pins, when you punch them out from the right to the left, or from the left to the right, and when you put them back in, you put them back in from the right to the left. Alright, we're good to Alright, got the trigger housing pin in, got the locking block pin in, and as you can see right here, you can see what I was talking about. See how that slide stop lever is resting on the locking block there? Well, when you have two pins here, the top pin is what that slide stop lever is resting on. Alright, that's the reassembly of the frame of the Glock pistol. Hope you guys enjoyed.